A warm round of applause, a warm welcome to Mr. Ismael M. Bego III.
We will be at the forefront of harnessing state-of-the-art technology and fulfilling every critical step in making our company a world-class institution and symbol of entrepreneurial success. That's our vision. Gusto po namin makilala ang Porta na nagsimula sa maliit, lumaki. Katulad din ng mga typos kaya, katulad nila Mr. Tony Tan na nakilala yung kanilang brand sa buong mundo na nagsimula sila ng maliit. And for them, yung kanilang success is a symbol of entrepreneurial success. Since the inception of Porta, we intend to bring business opportunities to every Filipino seeking improved living through technology and marketing innovations. And it has never changed and will never be or never will change regardless of successes or failures of the different programs and partnerships we have formed and may form in the future.
For this morning, I'll be discussing some of the technical aspects and legal aspects of the Master Dealers Agreement. I am sure some of you have already signed that agreement, okay? And some of you are about to sign the same agreement.
On today's activity, with Portal Innovation's Chief Operating Officer, say hello and give a big round of applause to Mr. Jojo Villanueva as he talks about Load Extreme.
Thank you, Norman. So we will be discussing here the very business that Portal Innovations has, no? The Load Extreme business. But for this afternoon, what we will do is we will wear yung copies natin ng mga buttons, no? Our personal buttons. Can we do that, ladies and gentlemen? Yan, okay. We did a lot of sales. No? Nakakahiya kung minsan kasi parang ikaw lang yung may suot na ganito, lahat ng tao nakatingin sa'yo. Believe me, yung mga tumitingin sa inyo will give you money. Meron pa tayong bagong marketing tool. Introduce natin ang maganda. Okay? Yung iba, may pera, may panahon, may koleksyon, pero hindi makapagsalita. Pagkaharap na yung mga tao, do you experience that? Yes! Hindi ko kaya itong business na ito, hindi ko kaya mag-present eh. Hindi ko alam kung ano sasabihin ko eh. Okay? What we have right now is a tool na pwede nyo gamitin. Hindi na kayo magsasalita. No? Ipe-play nyo na lang sa mga VCD players, DVD players ng mga prospects ninyo, pwede na nilang maintindihan yung business. Okay? This manual, no? The sales manual that we have right now is only as good as its owner. Kung gagamitin ng mga may-ari, kung gagamitin ng mga master dealers at susundin nila yung nakalagay dito, hindi man 100%, ano, we're close to 100%, masusunod natin kung ano yung behavior ng system.
Okay, what is Load Extreme? Load Extreme is a mobile commerce or M-commerce that focuses on prepaid products, microtransactions, stored values, and value-added services.
Okay, ang i-discuss ko ngayong hapon is about, you can turn your manuals in page 39. I-discuss ko po yung policies and procedures or yung title po ng document, the Master Leadership Accreditation Guide.
Welcome to our technical training. We have divided this into two parts. First is the D2D training, which is going to be discussed by yours truly. And then next is the Load Extreme system to be discussed by our Chief Technology Officer, Mr. Ferdinand Alan Benco. Dealer Get Dealer, web and SMS how-tos. Through this training, you will be able to know how to navigate to your own web page using an internet access. At the same time, if ever yung mga ibang tao is wala namang internet access, we'll also find it accessible through SMS because Portal Innovation applied yung ating system yung sa SMS technology.
Again, I'm Ferdinand Alan Benco. I'm the Chief Technology Officer of Portal Innovations. Nice to meet you po sa lahat ng Master Leaders. Kami po ay nagpapabad sa MIS Department, kaya medyo hindi niyo po kami makikita madalas sa harap, sa mga sales, sa ating Sales and Marketing Office. Okay, now let me introduce to you yung Load Extreme. Okay, this training is subdivided into 3 topics. First, I will discuss about the Load Extreme website.
We're trying to create an environment where you could compete healthily and cooperate. Compete in the sense that you can perform sa sarili nyo and prove to yourself that you are a champion in a certain way in terms of sales. Kasi kailangan talaga may championing eh. We have to recognize that there are people here who can do very, very well and can excel. And while collectively as a group, pwede po kayong kumita miski doon sa effort ng ibang taong kasama niyo. So, the more nagbabalikatan po kayo, the more you're performing, nakikinabang din yung iba sa effort niyo. At least masarap na pakiramdaman nyo na pag magtatrabaho kayo ito, kumikita kayo, and kumikita rin yung ibang taong kasama niyo. Hindi sila totally competitor, kundi parang we can call that co-opetition. It's a competition that's cooperative.
Taos-puso nagpapasalamat ang kumpanya, ang management, ang lahat ng staff ng Portal Innovations sa mga master dealers po namin sa inyong pagtitiis, pagsaga, pag-cover up sa mga kukulang ng kumpanya. Sana patuloy tayong sama-sama para ma-achieve namin yung aming vision, empowerment of people and business through technology and trade innovations. Maraming salamat sa buhay natin.
Asking once again a round of applause for all our speakers tonight. Of course, Mr. Ismael Benco III,